Hi everybody, this is for the assembly of the big 7'1" Bigfoot or Sasquatch, Yeti, whatever you want to call it. Start with the face facing to the right. You'll find that there's 3 holes at the bottom of the torso. These are the most difficult to line up if you ask me, but it's still not that hard. We're going to send along a couple little pieces of wire to line those holes up. Okay, the first thing I would do is the center screw. If you have a drill, it makes it easier. But a regular Phillips head screwdriver will work fine. Put that screw, pull one wire out, do another one of the screws. Same thing, wire out, last screw. Okay, then you want to turn the whole assembly over. The rest of it is fairly simple, fairly easy to put together. You might want to take and do the other leg first. And you're going to find that there's 3 holes adjoining the same way. I normally do the same thing and take my little wires and stick the wires in the holes to line them up. And then I'll do one screw at a time the same way. The next thing is you can stick the front arm underneath and line up the holes the same way with the little wires. Sometimes it's easier to go to the other side. And then put your screws in. Again, one at a time. And the last one is the big arm. And again, the same method of lining the holes up. I usually just use the little wires. We're going to send those along with it. One, then the other. Last 2 screws. Make sure it's lined up straight. Done.